Hey guys, how's it going? This is my first YouTube video tutorial, so do let me know how it goes. For the first video, I'm going to solve the two sum, which is an easy level problem tagged on Leetcode. So let's see how it goes. Question stem says, given an array of integers, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to a specific target. And what this really means is we have a list of integers and we want to find two integers in this list such that they add to a target. So in this case, like 2 and 7, they match target. There are a couple of ways in which we can solve them. The first one is like a real brute force solution. So we start from the first index and then we add it to each and every element in the list. So so 2, then we start with 7. So 2 and 7. This time we're lucky, so we match it to 9, and so we return it. Um, Otherwise, like we will just keep on iterating over each and every element. So if we don't find any of them, then we take 7 and then we iterate to the rest of the list. This is an O of n square solution. It will still return an output. So let's see how it goes. Uh, so as I said, like we want to loop over each and every element. So we have like for I in range length of nums, and then we want to loop over the rest of the list. And if the target that we want to see, if it matches nums of I, not names, nums, then we just want to return I comma j. And if we don't find anything, then we return nothing. Like, sorry, we didn't find any output. So this should work, but this is an O of n square solution. See, there are two loops of that is of size O of n. So this should take a long time. And let's see, fingers crossed. Okay, so this is nearly like 6,000 milliseconds. Let's try to improvise upon this and try to reduce the runtime. We can solve the same problem within O of n. Let's see how we can do that. So oops. So the idea is to use a dictionary or a hash map. What we can do is, as we iterate through the list, we can remember, or we can insert the index of that element into the dictionary. What we'll also do is we'll calculate the complement uh, with respect to the target. So 2's complement is 7. 9 minus 2 is 7. And what we'll do is we'll check within the dictionary if the complement exists. So when we start with 2, there its complement 7 would not exist in the dictionary. But then when we reach 7, we'll see that its complement 2 exists in the dictionary. So we'll return the index of 2. And at that time, we'll be on 7. So we can return this as well. And in this way, we'll have to just loop over the entire list for once. And we can return the output. So let's see how that one works. For I in range length of nums. So we still have to loop over the entire list once. What we'll do is we'll calculate the complement of the current number. So that will be target minus nums of I. And what we'll do is if the complement, if that exists in the dictionary that we have, then we just want to return the output. Oh, sorry about that. And I. So I is the current index element. And if not, then what we want to do is t of nums of I. So what we're doing is we are just writing or just remembering the current index and the current element. Let's see if this one works. Okay, so this is accepted, and let's try to submit it. And it is faster, like it is faster than 98% of the solution. So as you can see, that this is an O of n solution and it works better than the previous one. Do let me know if there is any feedback, if there are any questions that you would like me to solve. Please like, share, subscribe, and have a good day. Bye bye.